Everybody, I'm going to show a couple of trades from today's session, October 23rd, 2018. One of those days again where it looks like there's a lot of turmoil, a lot of panic in the markets, and what I believe to be a lot of hedge funds with algos that are just triggered. And we saw some price action in the first hour of NQ that was just crazy, chaotic. Anyhow, I started off, found again a nice little scalp like I've been doing on crude oil. I tried to go for 20 ticks, and I'll start that up, but ended up only going for about 10. It was a nice little momentum. It kind of hesitated, and you can see originally I had a 20 tick target on here. I'm just going to move that forward a little bit. And ended up with about 10 ticks on that. So I waited a little bit to trade NQ. There was some news at 10 o'clock. It had just come out. We started seeing a series of pushes down, pullback, push down, and I saw us breaking through a level I had mapped out on the 30-minute chart, so I was a little hesitant, but I went ahead and entered this trade just based on the tremendous momentum and order flow I was seeing. And I'm going to play some of these in real time so you can get kind of an idea how price was moving. This one, again, because of the 30-minute support I'd mapped out, I was a little bit nervous on it. And ended up scratching that trade. And I was looking for what I call the third time through entry, when price attempts an area 3 times. That's kind of a little strategy I use. You can see that's all in real time there.
Target filled.
So got a little scalp on that one, nothing really major. I kind of got out as it was bouncing up. By this point, we'd clearly broken through the 7,000 level. Was making new lows, tremendous momentum, kind of looking for an entry. This is all real time.
Order filled.
You see me enter it there. Starts popping down.
Order filled.
Okay, there's another one. Trying to go for this third attempt to this area. This one's bouncing a little, got me a little nervous. In fact, this whole price action kind of gets my adrenaline going. It becomes more like a video game than any sort of trading, but and that one
Target filled.
I got out of with about a 20 tick loss. Here's another one I went into. Again, there wasn't a lot of support down here, so with enough momentum, there's nothing really to look how fast I broke even there. Look at that. If it goes up 8 ticks, I'm out. I'm at break even.
Target filled.
And that was a little winner too.
Filled.
Now here's a trade I went in. I went in this thinking it was going to break out. The last time I tried the level, I ended up scratching the trade. And what happens is I get stopped out almost 40 ticks.
Order filled.
And I re-enter, which I had kind of assumed once this had been taken out for the 3rd or 4th time this level, there was plenty of stops down here. And you're going to see when they get triggered what it looks like. That was in real time, that little pop you just saw there. And that's what happens when stops get triggered. especially on a extremely volatile algo-driven day like this. Here was another one breaking through this swing. Thought I would give it a shot. This one got me a little nervous. Didn't take off right away. Sometimes you have to be a little patient. This type of trade gets my heart going a little bit. Do I get out? Do I be patient?
Target filled.
And that's about it. You can hear me say I've had it. If you listen, this is me talking. I think I've had enough. That's enough. I'll come back. So yeah, I'm sitting there going, I think I've had enough of this. My heart was really going, and this price is a little too fast for my comfort. So anyhow, I stopped there. It turned out to be a pretty good day, but hopefully we get a little smoother tomorrow. That's it.